Hey there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the EZR electrical platform leveling. Here are the tools you're going to need: a bubble level, flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a paint pen. The steps in this video are going to help you if you have one of the following Elliott models. Before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also want to make sure that you have all the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. The overall condition of the equipment, maintenance, and inspection procedures are just as important as safe operating procedures and a positive attitude towards safety. All these procedures properly applied will significantly reduce the likelihood of an accident or equipment failure. Finally, feel free to pause this video at any time to make sure that you're doing each step safely and correctly. Alright, first, use your bubble level to make sure the platform is level. Next, using the bubble level, level the platform angle sensor, which is a black box located on the boom tip. Then, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the front plate of the leveling sensor. You want to make sure to reattach the leveling sensor front plate before testing so that your wires don't get damaged. Now, as you very slowly raise the boom, increase A thresh by turning the screw clockwise until platform leveling begins to start-stop or stair-step. Then decrease A thresh by turning the screw counterclockwise in half-turn increments until the platform leveling is smooth. Next, raise the boom at full speed and increase A high range by turning the screw clockwise if platform leveling is too slow to maintain leveling. Otherwise, decrease A high range by turning the screw counterclockwise if the platform begins to start-stop or stair-step. Platform leveling should lag behind the boom by just a little bit. Then, very slowly lower the boom and increase B thresh by turning the screw clockwise until platform leveling begins to start-stop or stair-step. Once it begins stair-stepping, slowly decrease B thresh by turning the screw counterclockwise in half-turn increments until platform leveling is smooth. Now you'll adjust B high range. Start by lowering the boom at full speed, and you'll increase B high range by turning the screw clockwise if platform leveling is slow to maintain leveling. Otherwise, decrease B high range by turning the screw counterclockwise if the platform begins to start-stop or stair-step. Again, remember that the platform leveling should lag behind the boom by just a little bit. If the platform is maintaining level when boom is operated at full speed, but it is lagging behind more than the acceptable amount, you'll adjust ramp. Adjusting ramp affects both A and B directions. If ramp needs to be adjusted, you can increase by turning the screw clockwise or decrease by turning the screw counterclockwise to adjust the time it takes for leveling to reach the max high range when the boom is raised or lowered at full speed. Next, using a paint pen, carefully paint the entirety of the screw heads on the trim pots. Once dry, this will retain the platform leveling calibration. Finally, reinstall the cover plate and make sure the screws are tight enough to compress the steel. Now that you've calibrated the EZR electrical platform leveling, you ought to be good to go. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829. And make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.